So to figure out how to adjust the IV, we're going to look at what is the remaining volume to be infused and what time is remaining for that volume to be infused to get this IV back on schedule. So we still have, from the picture we can see, we still have 1,100 milliliters still to be infused in the patient. And actually, if we do the 6 minus 2, similar to the last example, we see that there's 4 hours for that infusion to take place. So we could divide to see how many milliliters per hour. I'm going to say 4 goes into 12 3 times, so this should be a little less than 300, and I think this is going to come out to be 275 milliliters per hour. All right, but then we'll say we want to find, because this is a gravity feed, we want to know the flow rate in drops per minute. So we can take our 275 milliliters for 1 hour, and we'll trade the 1 hour in for an equal amount of time, 60 minutes. And then we can multiply by the drop factor from up above, 20 drops per milliliter. And that will help us determine the number of drops. And we have minutes on the bottom, so we do have drops per minute. So we'll go 275 times 20 divided by 60. And this would be drops per minute. So I'm going to do some estimating. 20 goes into 60 times. Let's see, 3 goes into 27 9 times. So I will use the calculator to help me see. This looks like when we calculate it, it comes out to be 91.6, and since it repeats, I'll just put the bar over the top, drops per minute. We'll round and say 92 drops per minute on this. So to see what action we should take next, we can calculate our percent variation, and this is the error, or how far the IV is off, going to be adjusted compared against the scheduled amount, and this would be the 92 from 83, and we're going to compare it against the scheduled amount of 83 drops per minute. So this is what it looks like, 9 drops per minute getting adjusted, moving ahead faster, and we'll compare that against the 83. I'll use a calculator to help out here. Looks like this is going to be, I'll just round here, 0.11, or happens to be 11%. And again, we'll say since the percent change of 11% is less than the rule of thumb of 25% that's allowed by the textbook, we'll say then adjust the IV. If the percent variation was over 25%, then you would consult the physician. Oh, sorry about not having the work where you could see that. So I hope this helps, and we'll see you later.